Hello, welcome back. So today I will show you how to fix TPM error with Microsoft Windows 11 devices Office software. So usually sometimes when you replace your motherboard or any changes in the internal hardware, you can get this error, and this error will not allow you to sign into any of the Microsoft 365 apps. To fix this, there are two simple methods. So before you do this method, please make sure you are completely logged out from the impacted user profile and use a local administrator account in the computer. The first step, you can try this. So go to run and find the path local app data and packages. Inside this folder, find Microsoft AAD blocker plugin and just rename this folder and just put an underscore and just type the some other keyword like old or something, and you can do that. So once you do that, restart your computer and try again, log in again and see if that solves the problem. So in case if that didn't solve, the next step is to recreate the user profile in the PC. So before you do this, just make sure you back up the local data of the user. And once you are done that, go to the registry editor. And inside the registry editor, you have to find HK local machine. And inside local machine, you find this folder called softwares. Inside softwares, expand and find this Microsoft folder. And inside that, you have to find something called Windows NT. Yes, so inside the Windows NT, there is a folder called current version, and inside the current version folder, you will find profile list. So this is a place where all the registered user profiles in the computer can be found. So identify the exact folder which belongs to the user profile. So if you are clicking, and you can find this by the profile image path where it redirects to the username's user's profile. So just identify this. Once you find it, just right click, rename, and put some suffix or prefix, just underscore and old. And once you did that, restart your computer and ask the user to log in back again. So once he log in back, he will be able to access the Office 365 apps, and everything will be function as normal. So this is 100% tested solution, and it should work and fix the issue in case if there is no other hardware issues with the TPM. So most of the cases you get this issue when there is an update, or sometimes you replace your motherboard. So just try the steps, and it will fix a lot of hassle. You don't have to reset your computer and all. It's very helpful. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more and more useful videos for you. Thank you and have a good day.